Struggling with CNC threading? Unlock precision and efficiency with the ultimate 5 or 8 inch internal and external Indexable threading kit from ShopToolUSA. This complete kit includes holders for both internal and external threading, plus 7 durable TiN-Coated Carbide Inserts for extended tool life. Designed for high-performance CNC applications, ensuring perfect threads every time and reducing downtime. Ideal for threading pipes, components, and precision parts across all your machining projects. Get accurate, consistent results. Ready to upgrade your threading? Get the complete kit today. Precision threading, simplified.